Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the VENO brand, their moving bags. This is a 2-pack with lids, extra large, sturdy handles, zippered, light green window with a window, and you can get all these different colors. There's over 7,000 excellent customer ratings. So you can move without boxes, say goodbye to the hassle of buying and assembly, packing boxes, or searching for moving supplies. So these are spacious. Simply unfold, unzip, and begin loading. They have dimensions of 27 wide by 15.5 high by 13.8 deep. You'll appreciate the ample space that they have. Now I have one all packed up. There's 4 queen size comforters in there, and what's nice is that you have identification windows so you can see what's in there. They got really nice strong straps and a really strong zipper. And look how small these fold down to, so that you can just stack a whole bunch of these if you're getting ready to move. This is the way to do it. You don't have to hurt your back with normal boxes. You've got these, and you could use those straps to move all your supplies. And aside from moving, this is a great way to organize your house, just like this, all the bedding and everything. And they're at a great price point, so that you don't have to worry about investing a lot of money in them. You can get a whole slew of these. So I'm really impressed with the quality of these. I'm going to give the VENO brand moving bags 2-pack a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.